Hey everyone, so guess what? I accidentally spilled a drink on my laptop keyboard recently, which, oh, I am such a klutz. So certain keys haven't been working. Well, this gave me a chance to check out and get this wireless keyboard, and what the heck, I even upgraded my mouse to wireless as well. They are both working great, and the thing about the keyboard is it is battery operated with AAA batteries. So far, I haven't needed to change them, and it came with two batteries, so it's been lasting a pretty long time. It's small and compact and easy to type on. It's a little loud, but it feels great when I type, and it doesn't bother me much at all. It matches my 13-inch MacBook Pro model, except the keys are white. With the mouse, it's super light and USB rechargeable. They both connect to Bluetooth and will disconnect if you don't use it for a while to save energy. The setup was quick and painless, and I highly recommend these if you have cats that like to mess with wires. Anyway, I've put the links in the description below if you want to get them. I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.